Hi and welcome to another 5-minute session, and this time about baking. So I will give you an introduction to baking all that stuff up here into images. So first of all, why should we bake all these nodes to an image? Well, first of all, this is a very simple material that I've done. So we don't have any cracks in, I don't have any smudge, I don't have rotated tiles, I have not done a lot of stuff in it. If I should do that, this tree up here would be 10 times as big at least. And that means a lot of math for the computer to calculate, so the memory will increase, the render time will increase, and everything will just take a longer time to work with. So that is one reason that you should bake it to an image, because that will ease things up for a computer. The second reason to bake into an image is that you would like to work with the stuff you're doing in a game, and then you're using a game engine, and a game engine does not understand all these nodes. It only understands the images, and those you can then export to Unreal or Unity or Godot or some other game engine. So those two reasons is a good that is the main reason to bake an image. So let's go into how you bake those images. First of all, you need to be in cycles. So normally in default we have Eevee, but you should be in cycles. And if you have select cycles, you can then go down and you will find bake. And then you have a bake type. And here's a lot of things to select it from. And if you would like to have the base color, you cannot find base color here. It doesn't exist. But we have diffuse, and diffuse is like the old term for base color. So by selecting diffuse, you can then connect it with the base color here. So we can exchange the information we have here that creates all the base color and then just use an image. So that is good to use diffuse. Then we can select how should the diffuse be, and you can select if it should be with your light, because we have some light in the HDRI that I'm using here, and I have some lamp that is glowing on everything and so on. And if I would like all the direct light that goes like straight on to these tiles, and I would like all the indirect light, meaning all the bounces from the environment into this, then I should select both of them. If I would like to have this image like just to export it to a render engine and make it really quick and easy, then I will not use any of those and just go for the color, and we will just use for the color right now. So to get it in, you just select a new texture inside your material. So Shift A, texture, image texture. Then you press new and you put in a name, and I would call mine BC for base color and tiles. You set the width and height of your image, and if it should use alpha or not. In my case I will not use alpha. And then I can select new image, and then I have it here, and now I can start generate it. I can select cubic if I want to, because it will be even softer, but that's up to you. The color space should in this case be sRGB since it's color, and then I just go and select the bake, and you will see then, if I just take it up here a bit, you will see it takes some time and then it bakes, and here is the result. So now I can use this image, BC tiles. Now it would be 0.01 because I had it before, but I can take that and put it into the base color here, and you will see no difference. That means that I can take away everything here that creates this color. So I can do that with the roughness as well. So then I just do another one. I can disconnect this one, take it away from here, I think, and then I put in it again here. And then I can just do a new one, press Shift A, texture, image texture, new, and this will be roughness R tiles, and no alpha for that as well. So I just let it go like this, and then I select this one. I can select this or this, but I would like to select this one. And when I select that, then I just select the roughness, and then I press bake. And now it will bake on this one since I selected this, and you get the roughness here, and you can then just put that roughness into the roughness here. You can now see that I cannot select the color space here, and that is because I have not saved it. It's important that you save. So you go to image and you save it. If not, it will be erased, and when you open again, you do not have it. So you need to save it, and when you save it, then you can select the color space. And in our case, it will then be that you select no color on this one, because it's, in this case, roughness. So that is how baking is done, and there's a lot more to say about baking when we go deeper into it, but now you have introduction to it, and my 5 minutes has gone, so I just say bye for now and see you tomorrow.